Hello friends, welcome to my garden again. Today I would like to introduce you to the Amazon-like rainforest conditions that my garden experiences. These days we talk a lot about indoor plants, and we should know that these indoor plants have their origin in the Amazon rainforests, and rainforests are areas that experience high temperatures, high rainfall, high humidity, and a dense tree canopy. Let me tell you that I live in Dharwad. Dharwad is a place that is midway between Pune and Bangalore on the national highway. And Dharwad is situated on the edge of the Western Ghats and so experiences a climate that is similar to the tropical rainforests. And I am lucky to be living here and experiencing that type of climate. My garden is relatively spread on a vast area, and it has this huge tree canopy from which in the mornings it's beautiful to see the filtered sunlight, and today it's raining and the rain is literally dripping even on me right now. I was planning to make this video on indoor plants and the native of those plants, and today I was lucky to be receiving rain in my garden, and it is resembling the rainforest like situation. You can see by the time I walked around, I'm even drenched in the rain today. So I will take you and show you what are the indoor plants and at what levels in the forest area they grow. So you can see I have a wide canopy here, and I have placed most of the so-called indoor plants in the shade of this chiku tree or the sapota tree. We have these Diffenbechias, Philodendrons, the prayer plant, Alocasia, another wide leaf philodendron, Alocasia again. So I have placed all these plants in the shade of this tree where the water drips as it is raining. Then we will slowly move on to under the tree. Here I have these anthuriums. These are the older anthuriums with bigger trees and larger flowers. The new hybrids have smaller leaves, smaller plants, many flowers. This is Syngonium. Here are some more plants that are placed close to the trunk of the tree. The tree is quite low growing. Many of my dracaenas are here. They were not doing so well, so I brought them here. It's like a place where I keep the sick plants. Now they have picked up, I can take them back. So you see the white leaf stemmed Aglaonema. Some hanging plants in coconut shells, begonia, another begonia. These are the umbrella palms. With Syngoniums at the bottom. Then we come here to a set of ferns. This was initially in one pot and it kept spreading. We have some ferns climbing up the tree. Along with that is the Syngonium. The Syngonium is literally a weed in my garden. Here at this point we have these ferns. They are actually in the crevices. There is no soil at all there. And this sculpture is engulfed with these plants. We have the dracaenas, the anthuriums, the Syngonium climbing the trunk, and here you have a huge philodendron, a philodendron that has been there since years, no fertilization. It's probably the leaf litter that provides the nutrients to the plant. Again some philodendron and Syngonium. Yeah, I'd like to show you how the Syngoniums are literally growing up. Once I got all of them removed, and again they are growing up. The Champaka trees are really huge. Not very common to have such huge trees unless they are in forested areas. The Syngonium, there are 3-leaved, 5-leaved Syngoniums. Yes, the Champaka tree spreading, and some Philodendron, Diffenbechias flowers. Then here is another patch of Monstera. Maybe I had just thrown a piece or something. I don't remember planting it here. That has taken the help of this trunk of the mango tree and gone up. And below is also a place where there's lots of leaf litter, and the Monstera is happily spreading there. It's so beautiful to see these green leaves glistening with the rain, and they are truly beautiful. Rain was a blessing for me today. That is on 2nd October, on which day I made this video. It rained as if it rained only for me to make this video. Sometimes it is said that when you want to do something, even the universe conspires to do it. So here's the full canopy. It's nice to have such a green canopy, but at times I feel a little disappointed because I cannot have many flowering plants, because flowering plants require sunlight, and there are very few patches that receive direct sunlight. So even my hibiscus and all have more foliage than flowers. So this is another patch just in front of the house, and I think that's how my garden is during rainy season. Thank you, and see you in my next video.